What is going on, guys? It's Wikizime here, and today I have my modded account that I gave from my mother. So yep, here we go, Wix Gamer YouTube, and you can see it's very nice, very nice. And if you want to see my level, I can show you. And I got the Roosevelt car because it's the Valencia day today, and yeah, here much level I get. And here's the money I get. So it's pretty much and all like that. And I got all weapons, and I get no modded car, but I can buy all cars, so it's very nice. And you can buy this account just $5 or euro or what you have, and I'm maybe gonna do a giveaway with this mod account if I get more followers. So yeah, these were all from my video today and little info. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and like my video, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.